In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable message previews in Slack. By the end, you'll have a simple setting turned on that lets you see short text snippets from links right inside your conversations, which makes it faster to decide what to open and what to skip. Start by heading to slack.com and open your workspace. Once you're in, look down to the bottom left corner of the interface. You'll see your profile icon there, usually your avatar or initial. Click that icon to open a small menu with personal options. From that menu, choose Preferences. This opens Slack's settings panel where you control how things look and behave for your account. In the Preferences window, find Messages and Media. Click it to view the display options for your messages. This section handles things like how content is shown, and it's exactly where the preview controls live. Now scroll down until you find the option labeled Show Text Previews of Linked Websites. Toggle this on. There's no extra save button to click here. Once it's on, Slack applies the change for your account. That's it, previews are enabled. Here's what that means in practice. The next time someone pastes a link in a channel or direct message, Slack will pull in a short bit of text from the page so you get immediate context without leaving the app. For example, if it's a news article, you'll typically see the headline and a snippet. If it's a public web page with a description, you'll see that summary below the link. It helps cut down on unnecessary clicks and keeps discussions moving. A few quick tips to keep in mind. This setting affects what you see on your device. It doesn't force previews for everyone else. If you're working in channels with lots of links, previews can make scanning threads much easier. Some links, like pages behind logins, private documents, or sites that block previews, may not show text, even with the setting enabled. If you ever decide you prefer cleaner, link-only messages, you can return to the same messages and media section and turn the toggle off. If the wording looks slightly different or the option isn't where you expect, don't worry. Slack's interface gets periodic updates, but it will still be in the messages and media area of preferences. And that's all there is to it. You went to slack.com, opened your profile menu, selected preferences, clicked messages and media, and turned on show text previews of linked websites. Enjoy faster, more informed browsing of links right inside your Slack workspace. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.